Go, Savannah, get up the slide. Aw, go, baby, go. You can do it.
You're terrible.
That's so cute.
Oh, she bumped her head. See the red mark?
She's alright.
Where's that lipstick?
Probably from over there. Go, baby, go. You're almost there. That is so cute. She thinks she's going somewhere.
She's getting her workout. Like, man, this thing is long.
Woo! That's tired, ain't it? Go, baby! Come on, you can do it! You can do it! You tired. You can do it! Oh, I love you. You're so funny. Okay, bye-bye. She sees my shadow. You see a shadow? Savannah's first time at the park. Today.
Is that thing still going?
What's today? The 19th?
Something like that.
September 19th, 2012. Almost 11 months old.
Whoa!
Still learning to walk. And sit, obviously. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Savannah. She's like, I'm busy. Leave me alone.